Hello everyone, welcome back to e-classes of Statistics Standard 11. In this video, we are going to continue exercise 4.5 of your textbook and we are going to continue sum number 2 and 3. Let's read sum number 2. The daily salary of administrative staff of two companies yielded the following results. So, company A and company B's mean is given, standard deviation is given. Company A's mean salary is 600, company B's mean salary is 2100. Standard deviation of company A is 30 and standard deviation of company B is 84. Which company has more stable salary? So here mean is given, standard deviation is given, and so whenever mean and standard deviation is given, you have to find coefficient of variation. So finding coefficient of variation, we can come to know more stable salary. So let's find coefficient of variation. The formula for coefficient of variation is S upon mean into 100. So this is S upon mean into 100. So let's find for both company A and company B. So here we have taken out the coefficient of variation for both the company A and company B to know which is more stable. So company A's mean is 600, company A's standard deviation is 30, and the formula for coefficient of variation is S upon mean into 100. So 30 upon 600 into 100, that is 5%. Similarly for company B, mean is 2100, standard deviation is 84. And the formula for coefficient of variation is S upon mean into 100. So 84 upon 2100 into 100, that gives 4%. Now, company A has 5% variation, company B has 4% variation. So the lesser the variation, that means more stability. So company B has less variation, so company B is more stable. Now let's do sum number 3. Let's read sum number 3. The coefficient of variation of two series are 30% and 25%, and their standard deviations are 15 and 9 respectively. Find their means. Now here coefficient of variation is given, that is 30 and 25%, and other thing that is given, that is standard deviation 15 and 9. The missing thing is mean. So we have to find mean with the help of using the same formula, coefficient of variation. So let's find coefficient of variation in sum number 3. So here we have taken out coefficient of variation for first series and second series using the formula of coefficient of variation. So for the first series, coefficient of variation is 30%, standard deviation is 15. So we have to find mean. So we'll use the formula of coefficient of variation, that is S upon mean into 100. Coefficient of variation is 30, S is 15, mean is missing, and into 100. So 30 into, this will be cross multiplied. So 30 mean it will be, and here it will be 1500. So here mean will remain, and here it will be 1500 divided by 30. So your mean for the first series is 50. Now second series, in which coefficient of variation is 25%, standard deviation is 9, mean is missing. So we'll use the formula of coefficient of variation, that is S upon mean into 100. Here coefficient of variation is 25, S is 9, mean is missing, into 100. So 25 mean into 900. So mean will remain here, 900 divided by 25. So mean is 36. So here we are done with the mean of both first series and second series, and we are done with the sum number 3, and simultaneously we are done with the exercise 4.5. Go through the exercise, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.